Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Krusty the Clown. So first in the center, we're going to draw in a sideways oval. For the eyes, stepping over from the center on the right, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then we're going to replicate that as we move over on the left. Now on the center, coming slightly across on both sides, we're just going to draw in a small circle for the pupil. Now let's move underneath and draw in our mouth. So starting beside the nose, we're going to arch this line down. Moving beside that, we're going to arch this line around and then in for the cheek. And then now from that point, we're going to curve this line down towards the bottom, ending that at the same height. And then now from here, just closing that off on the bottom again with an arch line from left to right. For the mouth on both sides, we're just going to draw in a small curved line. And then we're just going to close this off with another arch line, bringing that up on the right. From the center, we're going to curve this line around and then up. Moving across again, replicating that for the teeth. And now one last time, bringing this line around and then in. For the rest of the mouth, again, we're just going to curve this line down on both sides. And now let's close this off with a curved line from left to right. In the center for the tongue, we're going to arch this line down. And then we'll move across on the left, bringing that out. Now on the side, moving up, we're going to arch this line in for the ears. And then closing off the side of the face, just arching this line back in towards our eye. Beside that, on both sides, we're going to draw in a small curved line, bringing that out. And now in the center, we're just going to curve this line back down towards the bottom. Now moving up above both eyes, we're going to bring this line in. And now moving up for the hair, on the top, we're going to curve this line out. We'll do the same on the right. And then on the left, just bringing this line around and then in. Closing off the top of the head, arching this line around and then down. And then we'll do the same as we come across on the right. Closing off the rest of the hair, we're going to arch this line in. From that point, bringing that back up. On the left-hand side, arching this line across. And then from that point, just curving this line out and then down. Now let's draw on the hair. So on both sides, we're going to draw on an arch line coming out. From that point again, curving this further across. Again, let's move out. And then again, moving over. Now from here on the top, we're going to curve this line back down. Now coming underneath, we're going to curve this line in. Starting back on that line, arching this line down now towards the center of the face. And we're going to continue this as we keep moving down towards the bottom. And going all the way over and in towards the side of the head. And now dropping below, let's draw on the bow ties. We're going to draw in a half circle in the center. We're going to curve this line around and then in on the side. Now from the middle, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out. On the bottom, we're going to draw in two diagonal lines. And then we're going to curve this line out. On the top, again, we're going to curve this line out. And then from that point, just arching this line down towards the bottom. Now for the neck, we're going to draw on a diagonal line that comes up on both sides. And then from that corner, just curving this line in. And that is it. That's how you draw Krusty the Clown. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.